English. Today I'm going to explain you section B chapter of 6th standard, and the name of the chapter is very strange. The Weird Wells Wedding Invitation. This is a very strange story, and I hope you will like it. So let's start. Once upon a time there was a king, and his name was Sri Krishna Dev. He was the king. He was an Indian king only, but he used to rule upon Vijayanagar. And on the other hand, there was one more king. His name was Muhammadin Sultan. He was the ruler of Delhi. Now all the Muslim kings, they always used to envy the Hindu kings, and they wanted to invade their kingdom. So one day Muhammadin Sultan tried to planned to humiliate Sri Krishna Dev, the king of Vijayanagar. He thought of humiliating him. Humiliating means insulting him. So in this way he sent his messenger with an wedding invitation, and the messenger went and gave that wedding invitation to the ruler of Vijayanagar, to King Sri Krishna Dev. Now the invitation, when the king, this Sri Krishna Dev Rayalu, when he read this invitation, he was very much embarrassed to read the invitation card, because there was also a warning letter attached with the invitation card, and the invitation card was nothing serious, but it was a very funny kind of invitation. And on that invitation card it was written that a well is getting married, and we are inviting all the wells of your kingdom, and if your wells do not come to our kingdom to attend the wedding of our well, so I will take it as my insult, and you will have to face my anger. Now this was a very horrible kind of situation for King Rayalu. So he called his advisor. When he called his advisor was also very much surprised to see this invitation, this strange invitation card. Then there was a very wise poet in the same kingdom. So then he decided there was a very wise poet in the kingdom. So he was also very much strange to hear this invitation card. Now the poet said to the chief that you go home and relax, take some rest, because I will finally take out a solution. In the next morning, all were waiting for the poet in the courtroom. When all had assembled there, the poet went there and said that I have a solution, and listen to me very carefully. Now he read out the solution. It was written on the piece of paper. It was actually written on a piece of paper, and on that piece of paper it was written, "Dear King Muhammadin Sultan, actually our wells are very much annoyed that your wells did not attend the wedding of our wells. So they'll be very much pleased if you send your wells personally here to invite our wells. So our wells and your wells will go together." Now this was very embarrassing. Now this letter had been sent to Muhammadin Sultan of Delhi, and when he went there, when the messenger went there, Sultan was very much shocked to read this kind of strange invitation again. And on the other hand, on the other side, he was very much surprised and very much impressed also with the intelligence of the king. So here the story comes to an end. I hope you like the chapter. Thank you.